Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use picture-in-picture mode in iOS 14. iOS 14 brings the picture-in-picture mode that works the same way as on the iPad. Simply start watching a video in any of the supported apps such as Safari, Apple TV, FaceTime, Music, and so on. And while watching the video, tap on the picture-in-picture mode. Alternatively, just going home from full screen should enable the picture-in-picture mode. From here, you can resize the video by pinching it, move the video around by dragging it, and dragging it to the side to temporarily get it off your way. You can always bring the video back by tapping on the arrow. You also have the general player controls on the video. You can also close it by tapping X, or go back to full screen by tapping the full screen icon on the top right. We feel like this is a fantastic feature that'll make multitasking on iPhone even that much better. What apps do you use most for video consumption? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.